Hey guys, welcome to the fourth lesson of this series. We hope you are excited. Today's new lesson is based on Tinta, through which you can practice your finger setting with the harmonium. These combinations are very important for starters as these will help you to grasp the knowledge of the keys and train you in such a way that you don't have to see the reed board later in future while playing the harmonium. Isn't this interesting? Well, now without any further ado, let's jump into today's lesson. But before we go there, if you are new to this channel and like the content we post, then go hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you'll not miss any updates when we upload a new video. Now let's set the pitch, tal and tempo first. Now let's look at the notation for the combination. You can write it down in your notebook or diary. The writing style for the combination in different lays are different. Kindly focus onto it. At first, we have Vilambit lay, ascending order and descending order. Next up, Madhya lay, ascending order, descending order. Now let's see how does it sound when we play it in the harmonium. At first, we have Vilambit lay. Next up, Madhya lay. Well, that ends with today's fourth lesson. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You will find the contact details down in the description. If you have understood today's concept, then don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. Tune in with us in the next video with the 5th episode of the Harmonium lessons. To be notified when we upload the next video, go hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.